everyone, welcome to the Psych Mom Show. I'm the Psych Mom, Barrie Morganstein, back with my wonderful guests, Martha and Wendy from the Speech Vine. We were just talking about speech and language development, but this is my segment called Word to Your Mother. So I'm going to subject them to the question that I introduced last week, which was, what do you do as a parent when you find yourself in a public setting where there is a child of another parent who is not behaving appropriately as they should and could be a negative influence on your child? Do you pull your child away? Do you intervene? Do you say something to the child, say something to the parents? Any number of those things. I'm curious to hear your perspectives, not necessarily as speech therapists, but as parents. What are your thoughts?
I usually just comment to my child that, I think that kid's having a tough day, and we've all had tough days. So, and maybe even try to engage them in a conversation on, what do you think could have happened? How do you think he could, get out of that? If it's someone they know, then I may suggest, well, maybe you could go over and say something to them. Work on your friend skills. Everyone needs a friend if they're upset. So
making it a really good learning experience for your child.
Yeah, that's usually how I would handle that.
That's good. What are your thoughts?
I'm kind of in the same boat. In our social language group, we talk about expected behaviors and unexpected behaviors, and I have transferred that into my family, and we talk about what's expected. And I usually use those as teachable moments to say, that's really unexpected, isn't it? Don't you feel kind of weird right now? I feel kind of weird that they're doing that. So I turn it into a social language learning. So then it's bound to happen to us at some point. I can then say, you're right, this is unexpected, and other people are going to feel strange. So I'm using it that way.
So I think those are wonderful examples. Like you said, using it as a teachable moment. The situation might be a little bit different if that particular child was interacting directly with your child in a negative way, then you might have to intervene.
Yeah.
But it sounds like you would really just direct your attention to your child and use that as an opportunity. Well, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts about that topic. Our next topic that I would love to hear your thoughts about is, as parents, we have a really tough time parenting. It really is a full-time, 24/7 job. Yes, we're all nodding. One of the things I've talked to parents a lot about is how hard it is to parent your child in a public setting. So we're kind of just talking about this. So picture yourself at the grocery store. Your child is throwing a temper tantrum. How much pressure do you personally feel to parent your child in a certain way when you're in public versus what you might do at home? Well, I'd love to hear what you have to say. Please share your perspectives with me. You can post on my Facebook, you can tweet me, or you can post on my blog at thepsychmom.com. Word to your mother.